Make a great choice today with the 2014 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, tires front all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.